Everyone, today I'm making a huge batch of salsa. I'm hoping to get at least 12 pints out of it. In order to do that, I have to have probably a bushel, maybe more than a bushel of tomatoes done up. So I'm working on Jacob's paste tomatoes and my paste tomatoes. I have them out of both gardens, and I'm gonna be blanching them and getting the peeling off, cutting the cores out. And then I'm gonna be dicing them up using my food processor. And then I'll be dicing up the rest of the ingredients and making up a big pot of salsa. This salsa is also out of the same cookbook that I used with the pickles. So I'm not gonna be sharing the recipe. If you want the recipe, you've either gotta go to her website or buy her cookbook. It's everything worth preserving. And I promise this is not sponsored. I just don't want to share someone else's recipe without permission. But I did just want to kind of show my process of making salsa. Anyway, today is salsa day. This is the best salsa ever. It is so good. It's the best salsa I've ever made anyway. I feel like I have finally found a way to make good pickles and good salsa. So here we go. Let's see, go through these and get the worst ones. Now I am trying a little TikTok trick that Dan showed me the other night to use a melon baller to core my tomato. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I feel like it's gonna waste too much tomato. And it doesn't really get down in there and get all the core either, so I'm not sure how much I like that trick. All right. I'm just gonna stick them in the pan and then we'll blanch them here in a bit.
Take it. Okay. The thing is this. It's been too long between location features. I figured we'd do one this week.
That's it. Flip it over. Fine, now flip it over. You can put something that fits this way.
I finally got it on the stove. Only took me like 6 hours. I had a lot of trouble with my food processor, dicing the tomatoes. I had a lot of trouble all the way around. And then we took a break for lunch because I was very hungry. Anyway, it's on the stove. I'm gonna wash my jars and get them ready to go, my lids, get them in the oven so they're warm. I'm gonna keep stirring that. I'm gonna get my water bath canner going and do all the things so that when this is cooked, because it doesn't take very long for it to cook. It's so easy to cook, it's just a pain in the butt to prepare. And I'm trying to do a triple batch, so that doesn't help things. I just want the salsa done and out of my life so that I can move on and focus on sauce and soup and all the other things that need made with tomatoes that are easier. Salsa is the hard one because you've got a whole list of ingredients. It's not hard to make, it's just so much prep work and it's a lot. It's cooking. I gotta get everything prepared and ready so we're ready to go when it comes to ladling it in the jars. moved over. That was good stuff. This definitely beats the $8 jar at Costco.
Because naturally, that's what happens.
Yeah.
Oh my god.